Thank you for calling Era's Restaurant. How may I assist you?
Hello, I would like to make a reservation, please.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
My name is Yara Jane Oruela.
Thank you, Miss Yara. For what date and time would you like to reserve?
I would like to reserve on September 15 at 3 to 5 p.m.
Noted. How many people will be in your reservation?
It will be 2, me and my friends.
Alright. I reserve a table for 2 people of September 15 at 3 to 5 p.m. under your name. Is that correct?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day.